They don't wanna see me rise, no. They just wanna see me fall. When I've been giving my all, I'm just gonna do it my way. My own way, my own way. I'm just gonna do it my way. My own way, my own way. Forget what they say.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Stef with Hannah. And guys, today's my pop-pop's birthday, so I was like, why not prank him? He loves dogs, but like he doesn't want one, because every time I'm like, I'm gonna get you a dog, he's like, no you won't. So I was like, today I'm gonna get him a dog for his birthday. So I'm gonna use Hannah's dog, Chancho. Oh, the lights just went off, but it's all good. So I'm gonna use her dog, and then we're just gonna see his reaction. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, so the lighting's not too good. Put that light on my face. But look, we got Chancho right here. We are at my house right now. I just told my mom to go blindfold my pop-pop, and this is about to go down. So we about to get this done. You ready, Chancho? You ready? You can barely see him. Okay. So we about to go in the house. Let me put my phone in my pocket, cause like I gotta hold him. Oh, where you going, bud? Oh gosh, gotta turn the car off. All right, we out. Sorry, it's so close to my face. I just have to, gotta hold him. Yo, he's, all right. He's like, where am I at? Yeah, oh my gosh. My mom just opened the door. The dogs are in the cage, right? Oh my god.
Is he gonna bite?
No. Alright, Pop. So I told you I'm gonna get you a, don't take it off yet.
Okay.
Don't. I told you I was gonna get you a big present. And
Here, take this napkin.
right now.
Oh.
So 3, 2, 1, take your blindfold off.
Ready?
Up here.
Look up, Papa.
I got you a dog.
Oh my God. Oh no, man.
Oh,
I told you, man, I can't take care of no dog.
You wanna hold him? His name's Chancho. Chancho? He's so cute. Look, honey's like, look, it's like my sister. No, there's a boy.
How big will he get?
This is his height. Wow,
He's so
look, he's like
scared.
trying to get.
Oh, he
Don't
don't
forget, $300 you gotta pay for a shot.
Look at honey. Honey, get out of here.
You gotta get his shots, Dad.
You gotta pay everything right now.
Okay, he's gonna need.
I got him from the Humane Society.
$300. My God, you
And
got me a bill.
And it's $700. Well, it depends, because then you have to also pay to get neuters and all that other stuff.
Look at him.
My heart left me. Why? Why did you? What? Hey, hold.
You always wanted a dog. I said, let me help you out.
No, I don't have dog. Can I donate him to somebody?
That's wrong. That is so wrong.
Look, Pop, I'm helping you out. You said you always wanted a buddy.
No.
He can drive with you in the car.
I'm gonna donate him to Steve.
You sure?
Look, she's getting mad at honey.
It's a boy.
Oh, he's getting mad at honey.
Do you want to hold him, Pop?
No,
You want to hold him?
Just don't put me on
but he won't get no bigger, huh?
Nope.
Aww.
There you go.
Mom wants it.
Well, I'll tell you what.
Look, he just sits right on your
I'll teach
chest.
him how to be a good dog and take him out of Costco with me.
You gotta pay with all the bills. Pay all the bills.
Well, when the bills start?
It's gonna come over 1,000.
Jesus Christ! I mean, hell, I mean.
Can I try holding him? Does he bite?
No.
Well, how old is he?
He'll play bite, but not like that.
Okay. How old is he? Oh, he's so tiny.
I forget.
You might want to stand up.
I'm donating her back to her.
Look at honey. Honey's over here.
Yeah, Dad, you gotta pay for it.
Oh man, you guys, that ain't right. That ain't right.
You said you wanted one, so I got it for your
No,
birthday.
I said I wouldn't mind having one, but
Well, you gotta pay for it.
I don't have time to stay home with her. He'll tear my couch up and say, you dirty sucker. You left me in the house by myself.
He's small enough to go under your couch.
He's scared.
That's because all the dogs he's hearing.
He's just hearing Miko.
Yeah. But Honey's just like so
I think
happy.
he's just scared of all the noise. Shaking.
I should have never said nothing about this.
Papa.
I take him down to Johnny and let Johnny ride around with him in the car.
Papa. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. That's my friend's dog. Look at Gracie.
Pet the dog after you call. Now are you ready to pet the dog since you know it's not yours now?
No. I'm not eating. I'm so happy. No, but really, I stay on the dog all the time. I don't stay on the
You love dogs though.
Yeah. As long as somebody else take care of them.
Oh,
No, it's
he's
Rowling.
coming close now.
Oh gosh, oh gosh.
He's cute. Yeah, you gotta come out from that.
Alright guys, so there we go. So that prank kind of worked out, but like, that's funny. But guys, make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe. Do not forget about that. Comment if you like this prank.
That
Trying to think. What else did I say?
A beard on him.
Oh, go subscribe. We're almost at 200 subscribers. But other than that, guys, I'm out. So peace.